Now to Washington, where House Speaker Nancy Pelosi has tested positive for COVID.
A spokesperson says that Pelosi is currently asymptomatic and will quarantine. Yesterday, she and others were unmasked when they joined President Biden for a bill signing ceremony. Pelosi's spokesperson says she had tested negative earlier this week, and she's also vaccinated and boosted. The White House says President Biden tested negative for COVID last night.
In Connecticut, Governor Lamont has also tested positive, but he says he is not experiencing any symptoms.
And here in the city, the numbers continue to rise. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor has the latest.
In the last 7 days in New York City, there's been an average of more than 1,500 confirmed and probable COVID-19 cases a day. The positivity rate is more than 3%, but hospitalizations and deaths are decreasing.
Remember, we are in a very densely populated area, plus we have a lot of tourists from Times Square.
Dr. Vino Pali works at My Doctor Urgent Care's Hell's Kitchen location.
Definitely people are getting tested. Since they heard about the BA2 variant, I think we are seeing more patients coming back to the clinic.
The CDC estimates that for the New Jersey-New York region that also includes Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands in its data, the Omicron subvariant BA2 makes up 84% of the cases.
It also says a new study found that some people infected with Delta were reinfected with Omicron within 90 days of that first infection.
10 children and adults were included. The shortest interval between reinfection was just 23 days. Most had not been vaccinated.
That tells us that vaccines are so important right now. You know, if you're 5 and above, get your child vaccinated. You know, a lot of kids are still not vaccinated. Some of the parents are hesitant about that. You know, if you're 12 and above, get your booster.
18-year-old Noah Green says the uptick in numbers concerns him, but he still has no plans to get vaccinated, despite the urging of others.
It's definitely been encouraged, but it's all up to me. I don't really trust it.
Dr. Pali says currently about 15 to 20 people a day are coming in to get vaccinated, including boosters. He says if you're indoors with someone unvaccinated, wear a mask. And as always, continue to wash your hands. In Hell's Kitchen, Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.
A second booster of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines has been approved for people 50 or older, and also those with severely weakened immune systems.